keep walking, I keep talking to every cute girl I see. I keep looking, I keep searching for the girl that you used to be. 'Cause before all this, you were loving me, hating me, telling me you're my baby, calling me, telling me everything that you have just been through. And I'd say, okay, my baby, everything will be alright. I will never let you out of my sight, 'cause I will hold you in my arms and I'll hold you so tight. I've been searching for a girl like you, 'cause no girl has got me through the things that you got me through. We used to talk every day and night, but now when we talking, it don't feel right. It don't feel right. You were loving me, hating me, telling me you're my baby, calling me, telling me everything that you have just been through. And I'd say, okay, my baby, everything will be alright. I will never let you out of my sight, 'cause I will hold you in my arms and I'll hold you so tight. You said that maybe we should hang out soon. Said me at your house at noon. I waited there, you never came to see me. That's why I want you that you used to be. You were loving me, hating me, tell me you're my baby, calling me, tell me everything that you have just been through. And I'd say, okay, my baby, everything will be alright. I will never let you out of my sight, 'cause I'll hold you in my arms and I'll hold you so tight.